We guide you through how to connect Ledger to MetaMask. So the first thing you need to do is to connect your Ledger device to your computer using a USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Open the Ethereum app on your Ledger, making sure it's updated through Ledger Live if needed. Next, open MetaMask in your browser, click the account icon, select Add Account or Hardware Wallet, then choose Hardware Wallet and select Ledger. If prompted, allow MetaMask to connect to your ledger and choose the connection method available, such as HID or Web HID, depending on your browser. Once MetaMask detects your ledger, you'll see a list of wallet addresses stored on the device. Select the address you want to use and click Unlock or Connect. MetaMask will then add that ledger account to your wallet list. You can now receive, send, and interact with decentralized apps through MetaMask, but every transaction must still be physically confirmed on your Ledger device, giving you an extra layer of security.